everyone, welcome back to Engineering Space, where engineers break the border of engineering. Back with me again here, Gamal Said, and we're gonna further our lecture to structural analysis. In the previous videos, you may check on the description or in the button on the above of these videos, and you're gonna see our previous lecture was designing frame design, and now we're going through to analyzing it using robot structural analysis. So let me open the project. Here we go. Alright, as you can see here in this picture, that this is the object that we already imported or export from Refit design previously, and we're exporting it through robot structural analysis, and now we're gonna doing analyzing it using this software. But before that, we need to ensure the geometry that we're gonna use in this time which was meet all requirement. So basically I will go to edit, and then we go to correct, and then we checklist on the whole section of this, and then put the 0.001 because we need to assure and redefine the structural design of this object, and just push apply. So once it was clear, then press close, and after that, after doing the correction process, I also go to the tile correct, where here we choose the whole structure, and then we choose to the point with the precision similar with the previous one that we use 0.001, and then let me just apply. Alright, and the last thing, we also correct drawing model and choose the whole structure with precision 0.1, and press apply. Alright, once it was done, then we're almost ready to doing analyze using the software. But previously, let me save this project in the other names. Let me put this with robot 2. Alright, after that, as you can see here right now, we also have problem here. I mean, like, as you can see, they're the base level, story 1, story 2, story 3, and then also the axis and the e-axis is not good enough, so this will cause the error doing the geometry analysis. So we need to redefine the axis right now. I think let me put our object here. Go to stories, then let me delete all, apply, and let me define manually. So this is our base level, and after that our top level will be here, I think. Wait, oh god, so now as you can see, we have two story. First one is the base level in here, and the story 1 and story 2 here. So just wait a minute, I need to see Let me go to the front view. Okay, this was correct. So I think we also need to redefine. Wait a minute, what's going on with this, guys? Okay, as you can see now we don't have any stories. So after that I go to axis definition or just press GR, and let me also delete the all section here on the X, and then Y also, and the Z actually is the staircase level. So once we delete all, let's apply it, so we don't have any clue, any geometry, any structural axis as the base of our geometry. And now let me start to add one by one. Right click on it, as the second one, second two, second three. Simply just type one by one here, also here. Okay, well, it's a little bit hard to get the point, but once you get it, it will easy you later doing analysis, of course. And also this, oh my god, can't get a point. Alright, and after that here, and the last one here. Alright, I think we're clear with the z-axis, and now let's go back to the x-axis. X-axis is, as you can see here, the x-axis is from here to here. So let me go to the x-axis and then try to define it. We're gonna take from here to here. So here, to here. Oh, okay, all clear. All right, so it was clear for X. Let me try to see it. Yeah, it's good enough, I think. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So the last thing is for the y axis. Let me back to here and then choose the ABC, I think, as the main base. Alright, applying it. So I think we need to redefine about the z-axis. That's I think it's really too much. So all we need just try to like, yeah, maybe we need to revalue this base level, sorry, and we can adjust this one, and I think all we need is to put center point here, the floor, which is in this section, and the roof, I think, yeah. So guys, yeah, enough. So right now we have cute axis and stories definition. We have A B C D E for the y-axis and 1 through 9 number for x-axis, and for our z-axis we have the base, floor, and roof. So let me save it first. Okay, and then we need to put the support, of course, as if you don't understand too much about what the definition of support and anything stuff like structural part before we conducting structural analysis, you may go to the channel that we mentioned below to cut further explanation on it. Okay, let me continue on this. We're gonna use the fixed one, and yes, as you can see here, now we have already the support itself, yeah. So you can see it. I think we have to go through here, and you may choose to support symbol turn on so you can see it. Now we have the support in the fixed support, as you can see. So let me save it again. So before that, we need to ensure also the type of the section that we use on this, I mean the members that we use on the subject. Is it correct with the actual or what we wish to design? And to do it, simply go to the right click and then go to display, and let me choose the favorite ones and go to, wait a minute, offset, I think, description. No, I don't need the description itself. Support, of course. So I think we need go to member, and then section shape turn on, says legend by colors, and then, well, I think is it enough for now. Let me try. Yes, we can cut it now with a better view. So let me go here and let me zoom in. As you can see here, now we got a section for all of our desired section or the actual design that we need. But oh, sorry, as you can see here, I use the Indonesian code, or we call as Standard National of Indonesia. As you can see, we use WF, EWF, C, and then something bracing like some stuff here, rectangular stuff in the steel profile. So as you can see here, this is not actually that what the section or what we wish in the design model. The green color or the IWF 400 times 215 should be on the other rotation. So right now we need to answer a section of this. Simply go through. Just wait a minute. Mana tempatnya? Go to steel aluminum design, and then let me try to redefine a section by setting the gamma angle. Through here, just press it, and then now once you selected the object, okay, I think it was automatically corrected. As you can see now, the section was rotated. Let me move to another section, this one as an example. Yeah, as you can see here, it will be automatically from the special values at 0, so it will take it under the other section. And if I choose this one, it will be also same. Let me try to select everything of this section, so we're gonna get best result later on when we start to analyzing it. And then let me try to move to another section. Okay, this is not the correct one. This one also. And the last. Alright, that's good. I think for the column, all we need right now just to redefine the C shape, which actually not good, I think, because as you can see here that on this section it's not actually good to decide, but it's all be on the opposite side. So let me try to click on it. Yeah, as you can see here, let me try to redefine it to maybe 118. Let me try to apply. Alright, that's good. So this one also, nice. Good. Okay. Oh my god, sorry. this one also. Okay, so I think it was enough right now. We have all we need right now. Yes, and every section was in the right way. So let me close this one and also this one, and let us choose the other section here. So we're back to the geometry design, and then so we go to properties again, go to display, section set, turn on, goes with offset, and then the member shape, and also legend by colors. Alright, now our design was completely good and fulfill the whole of actual design. Now let me save it first. Okay, on save, let me try to start load types. Here you can see I just already added the variety of loads that we're gonna analyze. It start from date load, and also the live load, wine load, and accidental load, and also temperature, and also one of the most important load is the seismic load. So between the lower structure and the upper structure, so what I'm gonna do is just to delete the, wait a minute, how can I know about this member? Yeah, simply just go to this member and delete it, of course. Then we go to this one, so it will easier us. Alright, like this, and also this is also go to the below structure, so or the lower structure, so we don't need this one to be analyzed for this time. Alright, but I think it's also good if you want to add this one. So let me put the support first here. Okay, clean up. So let me try. I hope there's no error again. Okay, we still have the same error. Let me try to go to the XY view. XY view to 0 base. And alright, I think we need to back to 3D first. I think we need to define the stories. The axis definition, go to the Z, and let me delete this one. Yes, I got this one. Floor and roof. And let me go to XY. Zero one, and I think I need to put the support here. Apply. Okay. So if I go to 3D, we have this one as the support for our system. So if you're gonna go to the result, simply just go to calculation note, and you got the full note of the analysis here. So I think that's all for now. Yeah, if you wanna see good result also, let me go to 3D first. Let me so yeah, this is also the other option on that. Let me try to save it as the parts, the fourth one. And starting the calculation. So now we get the option that we want to pair with the starter or not, and simply just press yes. And then instability, of course we have the instability because we're going to do analysis on every section of the element. So simply just press escape, and then yeah, so we just wait the result. And here we go. Oh, sorry. So I think now our starter was got the result itself. If you want to see the result here, you can see it that with the cases one. Let me see the result. Well, because we don't have too much time for this lecture, I just go to the calculation note and full note. So we got a full note and the result of the whole section design. So yeah, so Yeah, let me export this one. Just go to this PC and then maybe downloads. Engineering space temporary result, then you press yes. Come on. So I think that's all for now. That you can see the structure presentation here, how our structure stand up, and this how the session view. So I think that's all for now. Thank you for your attention. See you again on the other videos. If you got trouble during your design process, just put a comment below. Thank you, and the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Keren ya? Keren lah.